So my coworker gave me this fiddle leaf fig and a monstera or Swiss cheese plant, and I'm transporting it home. It's almost as big as a toddler. So hopefully it goes well. I'll post more update videos once I get home, and then once it starts, I guess the roots start growing out. All right, let me get them home. So here's where I put it until the roots start coming out, and it seems to be supporting its weight really well. That's the monstera back there, and the fiddle leaf. And these are its little brothers and sisters. That, I forget the name. That's some kind of fern. That's a peace lily back there. And we have, these are supposed to be some kind of flower, I'm not sure. And just bamboo. And then another little fern. So, we'll have an update in a few weeks, and hopefully it does okay.